everybody! Mommy Ann here once again, and welcome to my channel. Have a good day to all of us, guys. For today's video, ang gagawin natin is, you want to see the lambada? I'll show you the lambada. Yay! I'm really so excited to teach again today, guys. So get ready. First, itap natin yung feet natin. Here we go. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, kick. And 1, 2, kick. 2 more. That's it, guys. Of course, while moving the legs, we should move even our hands. Sway it down here. Make it soft. Hindi kailangan sobrang lambot ang kamay. As long now you are moving your hands this way, it's fine, guys. So now, let's move our arms and legs together. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, kick. And 1, 2, kick. 2 more. Last time. That's it, guys. Now, lagyan natin ng sound. Here we go. La 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 la. Woo! Let's do it again. La 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 la. Okay, now magja-jump na tayo sa second step natin. The movement of the legs should be the same, pero yung arm, take it to the side, take it up, and down here. Again, take it to the side, and up, and down. Now, isabay natin ang leg movement. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 counts lang, guys, ang ginawa ko. I'm not completing the 8 counts because we need to follow the beat of the music. So, let's do it again, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now with sound. La 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 la. Okay, now let's go back sa first step natin hanggang dito sa second move. Here we go, guys. Sabayan niyo ulit ako. La 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 la. La 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 la. Woo! Okay. Now we'll jump into our third moves. Here we go, guys. You have to move forward and wave your hands. And then go back again to the front and back. Now, stay to the front and move your hands and hips. That's it, guys. Let's do it again. Front and back and front and back. Now stay to the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now change side. Move to the front and back. Again, front and back. Now stay here and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, gawin natin ulit dito sa right, to the left. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now stay to the front. 2, 3, and 4. Change side and front, back, and back. Stay to the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lagyan ulit natin ng sound, guys. Here we go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Woo! Okay, guys. Babalik tayo sa pinakaunang steps natin hanggang sa third step. But before that, tulad ng ginagawa natin to relieve tiredness, let's take a deep breath again. So here we go, guys. Inhale and exhale. Woo! Inhale and exhale. Woo! Okay, let's do again our first step. First, second, and third move, guys. Here we go. La 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 la. Second move. La 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 la. Third move. La 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 la. Woo! La 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 la. Oh yes! Woo! So that's it for today's, guys. Next time, magdadagdag ulit ako ng mga steps regarding lambada. So, have a good day to all of us. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being with me all the time, guys. Every time na nagtuturo ako ng mga dance steps. Thank you so much, guys. Love, love. Have a good day to all of us and God bless. Bye, guys.